Crude oil, after showing a good recovery on the last trading session last week, it has started on a bullish note. Yes, because it has left the week on a bullish note, and yes, there was a slight gap. With that, it has started to rise. Can we expect it to move towards 78, 79 levels today? Can we expect it to move towards the top of this channel even if it is bearish, or is it again going to crash? Which position you should take trading crude oil today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly charts. And yes, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates, and do like, share and comment as well. Let's start. Now see crude on the hourly charts. First of all, price has shown a divergence from the moving average. It has moved now upwards. There is a crossover. It is still staying bullish. It is still yielding higher highs, higher lows. Now the highs of this channel are somewhere here at 78 levels. First resistance at 77, then next at 78. Right now, if you look at, it has erased all the losses from these levels. And if you see here, you will find this is the zone where we have the next milestones waiting for silver to get break past by. Also on the hourly charts, it is staying bullish. It is looking forward to 77.2 levels to be breached, and beyond 77.2, I will look forward to 78. Stochastic is staying overbought. MACD is still divergent and bullish. Now see, on the hourly charts, we have seen good bullish momentum here. So a possible retracement cannot be denied, but right now it is not showing any signs. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, staying bullish. Yes, it has given a gap down and it is staying bullish here. Step up, then one bullish candle. This bullish candle might take it towards 77.2 levels. That is why beyond 76.8, that is the lower price above 76.8 levels here, you can initiate a buy. Expect 77.2, 77.5, and then look forward to 78. Yes, it can move towards those levels. At the same time, remember the fact, a selling entry below 76 has to be taken. No other way it can try to move on the downside. We have to think it of both the ways, because markets can swing. The day has just started, the week has just started. It has gone slightly overbought as well. Look at this. On the 2-hour charts, it has gone overbought, and that is where we can expect a little retracement. MACD divergent and bullish. It has achieved a peak. Possibly we can see a little convergence. RSI near to overbought levels. Coming to 3. Now on the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see, it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs. The top of this channel somewhere here at 77.2, 78. Also, if you look at the preceding candle comes with the tail. Thus, if you see the price is staying beyond 76. We can expect it to rise more. Now see what has happened. It has dropped here. It has recovered all the losses from these positions, and hence this levels at 76.4, 76.8 is where we have to be little cautious, watchful, and then 78 levels. Stochastic is staying overbought, is staying flat. It can stretch this rise. MACD divergent, bullish, looking upwards, and yes, after forming double bottom, this is rising. RSI is upwards as well. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see a V-shaped recovery here. It can possibly again, now 76 is the support. With that as support, we can see oil is staying bullish towards 77.2, 78 levels. And if you look at the movement here, see, this is how oil is trading. It has hit almost the bottom. Right now looking forward to the top here, which is at 78. And it is only above 78, we can say further bullish momentum may prevail. Yes, it is also giving higher highs, higher lows here. Stochastic staying elevated, it is overbought. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now, before we move on to the daily charts, see, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch has started on today. It is going to start today, and you can still be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. Do not miss on this, because the next batch is going to start in the month of January 2024. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, where you can trade as per the signals and definitely benefit. So all the details, all the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can reach out, and also visit the page www.forexfunda.com. This is the platform where you get all the queries answered. Now, looking at oil on the daily, But before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch starts today. And after this, the next batch is only going to be in the month of January. So do register for the batch. You can also be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. You can try to trade as with as much profit as you can. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. See, first of all, on the daily charts, preceding candle, see, this candle was important as it has given a flat top here and it has erased all the losses. This suggests that the bullish momentum was there. Today it has started with a slight gap and it is continuing with the bullish momentum here. After a couple of drops, it is trying to retrace here. Now, possibly this could be a reversal as well, where we will be looking forward to at least 78 and plus levels. If not, at least 77.2 is there. And if it trades beyond 78 levels, that is the time you can say that the prices are really willing to break past by $80 levels as well. But looking at the overbought zone as of now on the hourly and 2 hour charts, first, even if it tries to scale on the upside towards 77.2 and 78, there could be a little retracement from those levels. Stochastic is rising. MACD. Now see, this is important on the daily charts. On the MACD, if you look at, see, good wave is done. It is willing to cross over, and if it does, it can bring bulls in oil for the near future. RSI is rising as well. So now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy crude oil today at 76.8. When you see the lower prices above 76.8, you can initiate a buying position for 77.2, 77.6, and 78.2 levels. Yes, these is the milestone. This is the resistance which oil needs to break past by. Beyond 76.2 is where you can say, beyond 78.2 is where you can say that the bulls are taking over and oil is going to fly. And then I will be looking forward for it to break past by $80 levels as well, which is the next milestone. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 76 levels. Below 76, remember, we have extremely good support now at 75.5, 75.6 levels. This is the first support levels, and then 75. If and only if you see oil is staying below 75, we can expect further bearishness. Else, I do expect it to continue with the momentum at least for today, and it is only bullish about $80 levels. So possibly, even if it has to trade bearish, it can go closer to somewhere to the lower highs at around 78, 79 in a couple of days. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Stick to the levels. Do not go as per the bias that yes, it can continue to rise or it is going to drop. Just stick to the levels. When it is a buying entry, buy. When it is a selling entry, sell. See you again before the US session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you very much.